If your printer does not pick up or feed paper, you might receive an Add Paper message even when paper is loaded. Follow these steps to resolve the issue. Poor paper quality can cause the printer to not pick up or feed paper. A flashlight is required for this step. Power off the printer. Grasp the handle on Tray 2 and pull it towards you to open it. Slide Tray 2 completely out of the printer. Remove any paper from the tray. Remove any ripped, wrinkled, curled, or bent paper. Look inside the input feed slot in Tray 1 and the input tray in Tray 2. Use the flashlight to check for any obstructions in the paper paths. Slide the paper width and paper length guides out as far as they will go. Load the stack of paper into Tray 2. Slide in the paper width and length guides until they rest on the edges of the paper. Do not push the guides in so tightly that they bend the paper. Use the guides to make sure the paper is not stacked too high. Slide Tray 2 back into the printer. Power on the printer. Try to print again. If the error persists, continue to the next step. Adjusting the input tray settings to match the paper loaded in the printer might resolve an Add Paper error. On the printer control panel, touch Setup, and then touch System Setup. Touch Paper Setup, then touch Tray 2. Touch Paper Type. Then select the type of paper loaded in Tray 2. Touch Paper Size. Then select the size of the paper you loaded. Try to print again. If the error persists, continue to the next step. Print a cleaning page to clean the paper feed and paper pick rollers in the printer. On the printer control panel, touch Setup. Navigate to and touch Service. Navigate to and touch Cleaning Page. Load a sheet of plain white paper into Tray 1. Touch OK. The cleaning page prints. Try to print again. If the error persists, continue to the next step. Resetting the printer can clear false paper feed errors. Make sure the printer is powered on. Turn to the rear. Disconnect the power cord. Unplug the power cord from any power strips or surge suppressors. Wait at least 60 seconds. Plug the power cord directly into a wall outlet. Reconnect the other end of the power cord to the rear of the printer. Return to the front. The printer powers on automatically. If it does not, press the power button. Try to print again. If the error persists, continue to the next step. If you have completed all the steps and are still experiencing issues, the printer might need to be serviced. Your options for service might vary depending on how long you have owned the printer and what country you live in. Contact HP to find out the support options for your printer.